Come sitting in easy pose and rub your palms together for a moment. And then press them together in prayer pose right at the center of your chest. And we'll tune in with our mantra, Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And inhale deeply, suspend the breath, let the vibration linger within you, around you, and exhale. And prepare for the first posture, arms stretched out in front of you, palms facing outward, the back of the hands touching. Your eyes are focused down at the tip of your nose. And in this position, begin long and deep breathing. In just a few moments, we're going to transition to breath of fire. Breath of fire, a gentle pumping of the navel. If you are new to the breath of fire, you can stick out your tongue and pant. And you will notice that navel motion. You contract the navel with the exhale. Relax the navel with the inhale. And when you've got that navel motion going, close the mouth and do that through the nose. And begin breath of fire. If you're on the first 3 days of your moon cycle, please just do long, deep breathing. Otherwise, pump that navel in rhythm with the music, with the mantra. Yes, invite the mantra into every cell of your body. Invite the mantra to open the navel chakra, to strengthen the navel chakra, to move the blocks around the navel chakra. Open to your power. Open to your strength. Open to the warrior within you. Yes. Keep the arms steady and keep the breath of fire steady. Let it energize you. Let it move the energy. You're almost there. You are doing so great. If the arms want to lower, use the fire in your navel to stay steady. Move the energy from the navel up into the arms. Keep them there. The arms are a connection to your heart center. So you're moving the energy up from the navel into the heart so you can act with courage. So you can be that heart-centered warrior. Yes, if it wants to be hard, let it be hard. If it's easy, then smile into this posture. This is it. You are almost there. Think of all the brothers and sisters and light beings that are doing this with you right now at this moment. Yes, so many people signed up for this 40-day meditation challenge. You are not alone. You are supported. We are here with you. I am here with you. Stay steady for this last little bit. This is when it counts the most. deeply, suspend the breath, hold the posture there. And exhale, relax those arms down. No fidgeting, no fixing the posture. Total stillness. Be with this energy right now. And come into the next posture. Arms straight out to the side. Right palm faces up to the heavens. The left palm faces down, connecting you to the earth. Begin bouncing the arms up and down in small movements. And now coordinate the movement with the mantra Har. Chanting again from the navel, powerfully contracting the navel with each Har and moving the arms in rhythm with the mantra. Whatever happens, whatever your arms say, whatever your mind says, keep it going. When the challenge comes, just get louder and more powerful with your mantra. Your mantra will carry you through this because your mantra is opening your navel center and your power. Let yourself experience your power. Yes, let the adjustment happen. Let the mind get so loud, but do not pay any attention to it. You just keep going, moving and chanting the mantra and the movement. This is self-healing in action. Yes, you are breaking through blocks. You are healing generations of playing small. Yes, you are doing it right now, connected to the heavens and connected to the earth. Yes, keep it going no matter what. Stay so steady. Chant, chant, chant. This is it. This is your last little bit. This is when it counts. When you've got nothing left to give, can you stick to it? Yes. Can you say yes to your transformation right now? Every time, each and every time, yes. And such a deep inhale, suspend the breath, squeeze rectum, sex organs, navel, keep the arms there, and exhale, relax the arms down, let it go, no drama. Just connecting to the inner stillness, to the flow of life within you. And then bring your palms into prayer pose and meditate deeply on the beat of your heart and the pace of your breath. And we will begin a special breathing pattern. You inhale deeply and fully, and then you suspend the breath in as long as you can without straining. And when you can't hold it in anymore, you exhale slowly and gently. And then again, inhaling, suspending, exhaling. And keep this rhythm going. And as you breathe, you inhale Sat and exhale Nam, mentally chanting Sat Nam. Truth is my name. Truth is my identity. Anchoring the warrior within you. Just let yourself sink into this meditative space. You've done all the work, all the activity. Now you are reaping the fruits of your labor. Every organ, every cell, every molecule of your body is being fed by that energy you generated between navel and heart, between heaven and earth. Let it feed you, let it heal you, let it open you. Let your breath guide you on a journey deep into your inner self, into the stillness, into the calmness, into the peace below everything. That no matter what exists on the surface, no matter how big the waves are, you are at the bottom of the ocean. You are the center of the storm. And inhale so deeply, suspend the breath, press your palms together, and through the mouth like a cannon, exhale all the breath out, and again inhale deeply, tighten your whole body, press the palms together, squeeze, squeeze, and through the mouth like a cannon, exhale. And one last time, deepest inhale ever, squeezing the palms together, squeezing the entire body, squeeze the face, squeeze the toes, squeeze the buttocks, squeeze, 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 and exhale it out, shoot it out through the mouth. And bring the hands down onto the thighs. And let the energy circulate through your body. Waheguru, you made the commitment and you're sticking to it. Let's close the practice. Bring your palms together, rub them, then press them together in prayer pose. Let's end with one long Sat, short Nam. and Satnam. And feel free to come lying down in Shavasana for a moment, for 5 minutes if you can, for 2 minutes, for 10 minutes. Just relax and let it all go. Integrate the effects. Satnam.